Make finger-licking Machi Kali Mirch with just a scan and Wi-Fi-enabled LG scan-to-cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select Machi Kali Mirch from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Take pomfret slices as per weight in a bowl and marinate with salt, lemon juice and Kali Mirch powder as per taste for 1 hour. In a microwave-safe bowl, put oil, chopped onion, chopped tomatoes and chopped garlic and mix well. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep this bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. When the microwave oven beeps, take out the bowl. Add the marinated fish, some water and salt to taste. Coat the fish well and cover the bowl with a microwave-safe lid. Keep this bowl inside the microwave oven and press start. Enjoy finger-licking Machi Kali Mirch made with LG scan-to-cook charcoal microwave oven with relish. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG scan-to-cook microwave oven.